Everyone has some business cards or birthday cards or Christmas cards lying around, so why not make a microscope with it? So here we have, from your Choose Your Own Pathology Adventure Pack, you'll find a template that has this design on it. But the easiest way to cut this out is by folding the card in half. So I've got a little piece of Christmas card here. Fold the card in half and then cut the shape out that you see on the PDF. So you should have something that looks like this. Then what you need to do is fold this bit like a kind of concertina accordion fold. So you fold it up this way and then fold it a little bit that way. And now you have your little microscope platform. But first you need to make a hole. So we do that using a hole puncher. And this goes into the little platform here, like so. And there goes our hole punch. Now you need a small piece of sellotape for this next bit because you don't want your lens to fall straight through. And place that over the top, like so. You can be a lot more neater than I am. Folding in the edges. And now what we need is a droplet of water to make our lens. So here I have a small jar lid of water, and you can either use a pipette, since I have loads of them lying around, or you can just use your finger. So dip your finger, get a droplet of water and place that over the top. You should have a nice little droplet of water. Now that's your lens. So the water droplet works like a convex lens, refracting or bending the light rays inwards. And our brain tries to work out what's being seen, reconstructs the image as bigger, but actually it's reconstructing it as nearer to us. So our brain thinks that the object that we're going to look at underneath is actually nearer to us. So what I have here is a skeleton leaf, because these look quite nice under the microscope, and I'm just going to place it underneath the platform, and you might be able to see on here some of the magnification and how big that is under the water droplet. Now obviously not everyone has skeleton leaves, so you can simply use a little bit of text too. So here's a little bit of text, and if I move this slightly, so have a little play around with that, and you should be able to see some great stuff under your business card microscope.